Video Editing Crash Course, Basic Video Editing Tools and Techniques. Introduction. Video editing is the art of crafting a visual story by manipulating and arranging video clips, audio, and other elements. To embark on the journey of video editing, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the basic tools and techniques that form the foundation of the craft. In this crash course, we will explore these tools and techniques, empowering you to bring your creative vision to life. Story: The magic of editing. Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a young filmmaker named Alex. Alex had always been captivated by the power of storytelling through film. Inspired by their favorite movies, they set out to create their own masterpiece. Armed with a camera and a vision, Alex embarked on a journey to capture breathtaking moments, from serene landscapes to bustling city streets. However, Alex soon realized that capturing footage was only the first step in the process. The true magic happened in the editing room, where they could shape and mold the raw footage into something extraordinary. As Alex delved into the world of video editing, they discovered a plethora of tools and techniques that would enable them to bring their creative vision to life. From basic cuts and transitions to the art of pacing and rhythm, each technique added depth and emotion to their visual story. Now, let's dive into the top 12 basic video editing tools and techniques that will empower you to craft compelling narratives and evoke powerful emotions in your audience. 1. Timeline editing. The timeline is the central workspace of video editing software. It allows you to arrange and manipulate video clips, audio, and other elements in a sequential order to create your visual story. Mastering timeline editing is fundamental to the video editing process. 2. Cutting and trimming. The basic act of cutting and trimming involves removing unwanted portions of clips to refine the narrative flow. Trim the in and out points of clips to precisely control the timing and pacing of your story. 3. Transitions. Transitions help create a smooth flow between clips, enhancing the visual storytelling experience. Common transitions include cuts, fades, dissolves, wipes, and more. Each transition serves a specific purpose and adds a unique touch to your video. 4. Adding and mixing audio. Audio plays a crucial role in video editing. Learn to import, manipulate, and mix audio tracks to create a balanced and immersive soundscape. Adjust audio levels, add background music, and synchronize sound effects to enhance the overall impact of your video. 5. Titles and text. Introduce your video, provide context, or emphasize key points by adding titles and text overlays. Experiment with different fonts, styles, and animations to create visually appealing and informative text elements. 6. Color correction and grading. Enhance the visual quality of your footage by adjusting color, contrast, and exposure. Correct any inconsistencies in lighting or color temperature, and apply creative color grading to set the mood and tone of your video. 7. Effects and filters. Explore a range of video effects and filters to add unique visual elements to your footage. From subtle adjustments like sharpening and blurring to more dramatic effects like slow motion or visual distortions, effects can add depth and impact to your storytelling. 8. Keyframing and animation. Keyframing allows you to animate elements within your video. You can create dynamic movements, adjust properties over time, or add motion to text and graphics. Mastering keyframing opens up endless possibilities for creative expression. 9. Speed control. Adjusting the speed of your clips can add drama, emphasize action, or create comedic effects. Slow down or speed up footage to enhance storytelling and evoke specific emotions. 10. Multi-camera editing. When working with footage from multiple cameras capturing the same scene, multi-camera editing enables you to switch between different angles seamlessly. This technique adds visual interest and allows for a dynamic perspective in your video. 11. Exporting and rendering. Once your editing is complete, you'll need to export your project into a final video file. Understand the various export settings and formats to ensure your video is optimized for different platforms and devices. 12. Collaboration and workflow. Collaboration and workflow techniques are essential when working on video projects with a team. Establish clear communication channels, use project management tools, and employ efficient file sharing and version control methods to streamline the editing process. Summarizing basic video editing tools and techniques. Mastering the basic video editing tools and techniques discussed above is crucial for creating captivating visual stories. From the fundamental timeline editing to the art of cutting, trimming, transitions, and effects, Each tool and technique adds depth and emotion to your videos. Understanding audio mixing, color correction, keyframing, and multi-camera editing further elevates your storytelling abilities. As you continue on your video editing journey, remember that these tools and techniques are the building blocks of your creativity. They empower you to shape raw footage into a compelling narrative, capturing the hearts and minds of your audience. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Poem. In the realm of video editing, a world so vast, where visuals come alive and stories are cast. With basic tools and techniques, we ignite the magic of editing, our creative light. Timeline editing, the heart's beating drum. Cutting and trimming, refining each sum. Transitions like whispers, connecting each scene. Audio mixing, an immersive sonic dream. Titles and text, words that capture the soul. Color correction, painting emotions that roll. Effects and filters, a touch of mystique. Keyframing and animation, motion we seek. Speed control, a dramatic twist or a jest. Multi-camera editing, perspectives at our behest. Exporting and rendering, the final embrace. Collaboration and workflow, in harmony's grace. These tools and techniques, a tapestry woven. Crafting visual stories, hearts deeply swollen. With every edit, every cut, we find a masterpiece unfolding, an everlasting bind. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of video editing, where stories come alive. Basic tools and techniques, our creativity will thrive. The timeline, the canvas, where footage finds its place. Cutting, trimming, transitions, creating seamless grace. Chorus. Adding and mixing audio, a symphony of sound. Titles and text, a visual language profound. Color correction, effects, and filters galore. Keyframing and animation, unlocking magic store. Verse 2. Speed control, a journey fast or slow. Multi-camera editing, perspectives on the go. Exporting and rendering, the final step in sight. Collaboration and workflow, a team's united might. Chorus. With these tools and techniques, our vision takes flight. Crafting visual stories, a world of pure delight. From the first click to the final frame. We edit, we create, forever staking our claim. Bridge. In this realm, we're bound by passion's embrace. Video editing, a never-ending chase. With every cut, every transition, we mold a story unfolding, as powerful as gold. Chorus. Adding and mixing audio, a symphony of sound. Titles and text, a visual language profound. Color correction, effects, and filters galore. Keyframing and animation, unlocking magic store. Outro. In the realm of video editing, we stand where tools and techniques are held in our hand. Crafting visual stories, our art we bestow. A world of infinite possibilities, forever we grow. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.